All right, folks, here we go. Tuesday morning, we got a beautiful sunrise here in Chicago. Another great spring day. It's time to get after it. Big day in the market yesterday. Across the board, strong moves. S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, all having massive days on the back of that strong jobs report we saw on Friday. A couple things really keeping this market moving, right? Record vaccinations here in the U.S. as far as the distribution and the production. Great news on that front. We're seeing a strong economy, at least signs of that in some of these economic releases like the jobs report on Friday, stimulus money, $2 trillion infrastructure plan. There's just a lot of good right now, at least on the horizon, that's giving these markets a bit of a boost. Now, this morning, we're seeing a slight pullback from those highs yesterday, as you would probably expect. S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, all trading lower. Dollar trading lower yields. So we're seeing that euro now back up above 1.18. Seeing a lot of movement in that dollar yen. We were creeping up on 111. Now we're just barely up above 110. And oil up almost 2% this morning after being down 4% yesterday. Still a lot of volatility in this oil market. All right, folks, let's go get some today. I'll check in with you tomorrow. Have a great one. All right, bye-bye.